This is not Quran.
This is not Quran.
This is like some kind of codes here.
Code.
What are these
Correct.
codes for?
It is related to the jinn actually. I cannot spend the time why I have to this code this because this is you waste my time.
Yeah.
And this one same thing. It's the numbers. The worst one is it is this one.
Now this is something you can't like put around your neck. This is like a certificate.
You have to put it in your bedroom.
They tell you to sleep with it under your bed or something?
Yes.
Okay.
For example, here you see there is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
It looks like Quran.
It's like Quran.
But it's not Quran.
But it's not Quran. It is not Quran. But the problem is around that, you see there's a name of jinn here.
Those are the actual names.
Name of jinn.
Of jinns.
Yes.
That are around this.
It is around.
All around here.
Yes. It's a name of jinn. Now the people, they don't know what's the difference. It is a Quran, but they don't know what is this. But it's a name of jinn. Sometimes they will give you Quran, Ayat al-Kursi for example. But before Ayat al-Kursi, there is a code. Okay, you cannot understand it. You will not understand it. There's a code like a number or anything like a star. That star or that code, it's I do not believe. So when you say I do not believe, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. So that's mean I do not believe in Quran. But you see the Quran, you do not see the code. So this is one of the symptoms of we call it sahir or fake raqi.